So guys, here I made it to Adita. Adita, what's the college name?
Aditya
College. Adita College. Yes. So guys, I've made it here just to visit these African students studying in India. So a lot of people on my comment section said I should come here and then have maybe one-on-one conversation with the students here. So I have already made it. So what's their name? This is oh, he's a security guard, yeah? Staff member
Yes.
of the college.
Yes.
Okay, that is good. My name is Nelson from Africa. Yeah, nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you. Your name is?
Sandra Sekar.
Sandra Sekar. Okay, that is so good. So guys, here are some of the students. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Ashton.
Yeah.
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
I'm studying data science.
Okay.
Bachelor's degree in data science.
Oh, bachelor degrees.
Yes.
So have you completed or still?
No, I'm still in first year.
Okay, first year.
Yes.
Because I understood there are some students who will be graduating.
Yes.
Like on the 20th.
Yes.
Okay.
On the weekend.
Oh, no. Okay, now how are you feeling about like here in India?
Yes.
What's up the hospitality of the people here?
Indians are very good people.
Yeah.
They are friendly.
Yeah.
There are no problems with them.
Okay.
Yes.
So school is going good.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, nice. I'm from South Sudan. I do travel vlogs all over the world.
Okay.
Yeah. You're from Zimbabwe?
Yes.
Oh,
Zimbabwe.
that is good.
Okay.
So, guys, maybe this one who is going, I can start with you. Your names?
My name is Lloyd Sawenge.
Oh, from where?
From Zimbabwe.
From Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. So you're studying what?
Bachelor in Business Administration.
Bachelor.
Yeah, in Business Administration.
Oh, in business. So how many years now?
Yeah, now first year.
First year.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. So how is studying going on?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, everything is good.
That is good. That is good. Nice. So we wish you the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wish you the best. So when you study, you come Africa and do great things there. Okay. Okay. Thanks. This is from Zimbabwe. So and you're all from Zimbabwe.
Yeah,
So
yeah, Zimbabwe.
I got another one here. So maybe you tell us your name.
Phineas.
Who?
Phineas, that's my name.
Juniors.
Phineas. Phineas.
Oh, from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
So what do you study?
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
BTech.
Okay. So how long now here?
Yeah, it's been a year, first year.
First year?
Yeah.
So it's your first year. So you came recently?
October last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, that is good. So under scholarship.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
that is so good. That's so good.
yeah,
So
yeah. Nice.
This is the hostel.
Yeah, this is the African hostel.
African hostel.
Yeah, this is our hostel. See, one of the students today.
Oh, here the African hostel is different from the Indians.
Different, yeah, it's different from the Indian.
Okay.
We give the type of food we eat.
Oh, the type of
Yeah.
food. That's why they do it different.
What about the participants?
Okay.
Indians want spice, a little bit more spice
Yeah.
than us.
So, but here they can cook for African food.
Yeah, everything.
Ah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So that is good. We wish you the best, Nelson from Africa,
Okay.
South Sudan. I do YouTube travel vlogs all over the world. I just move
It's
on.
nice to meet you, Nelson.
Nice to meet you too. So now is this you're busy? You're busy? Okay, so let's go.
Salam alaikum.
Yeah.
Inshallah. I'm from Ethiopia.
Okay, he's from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa.
Oh yeah. So tell us about here.
Yeah, it's very hot, man, because you can see temperatures are reaching around 40 degrees, 41 degrees, but in general the place is right. The people are good.
Yeah.
I've been here for the past 4 years. I've not
Okay,
faced
4 years. So actually, you're the students that are going to be graduated.
Yes. we are
Wow,
going to
congratulations.
graduate. Yes, I mean, it wasn't an easy journey.
Yeah, surely, yeah.
Yeah, but we made it. We
Okay.
are now here.
That is good.
There
Your name?
is one musician there.
And your names?
Yeah. What?
Your names?
My name?
Yeah.
Raymond.
Okay, Raymond.
Yeah, Raymond.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is so
This
good,
is-
please. We wish
These
you.
all buses belong to the
Okay, this bus is okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So and how the food?
The food.
Can you tell something about the food?
The food is a little bit spicy, but now they're trying to improve. Before it was spicy, it was oily.
Yeah.
But with time they're trying to improving, make it a little bit better. So
Okay.
let's see, but I'm sure now, because now the number of Africans is increasing,
Yeah.
so they are forced to try and
The African local food.
yes.
Oh.
So very soon we'll see.
Yeah, that is good.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, it's been it's okay. Thanks. It's been some conversation. Okay, I'll also be getting inside the hostel. This is their hostel, and then I'll be having some students also there, and then we'll get it. It's okay. You guys are still here, cause I need to take a good picture. Maybe. So guys, I got another one. So you see. Okay. Mr. BMG from Africa. So I came to India, to Kakinada, mainly just to talk with the African students here. So can you tell us your name?
Yeah, my name Muhammad. I am from Sudan. I came to here to India by study.
Yeah.
I'm studying pharmacy in college.
Yeah.
Yes, all the African is good.
You're from Sudan?
Yeah, from Sudan.
Okay. So how long have you been here?
Huh?
How long? Like are you
for 5 months?
5 months? Oh,
Yeah.
you recently come?
Yeah, for
Okay.
5 months.
Oh, that's good. So how about the food here? Is it good?
The spice is so fun. You can eat, but step by step you can eat. You can understand the system.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Thank you,
So
bro.
what do you study?
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Okay, medicine.
Yeah.
Okay, that is so good. That is so good.
Yeah,
So thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, okay, no
thank
problem.
you. Yeah, we are one. I'm from South Sudan.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Brother, yeah.
Wow. Great. Okay, guys, he's from Sudan. Then I'm going to go up. I don't know where. This is a lifter. Yeah, so guys, I've made it to the hostel. Man.
Guy, one is Uganda, it's a one is
Yeah, it's okay. Hello.
One is
How are you?
How are you?
Are you okay?
I'm good, I'm good.
I'm Nelson, a traveler from Africa. I do YouTube videos.
Okay.
So I'm visiting this school to just have conversation with the African students here.
Okay.
So, tell us your name.
My name is Jade Emmanuel Nelson.
Yeah. Oh, my namesake.
Yeah.
Oh,
Your
so
namesake.
Nelson,
Yeah. So Nelson.
So, what do you study?
I'm doing civil engineering, BTech in civil engineering.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I'm pursuing for the next 3 years.
Yeah, from where?
South Sudan.
You from South Sudan?
Yeah.
Ah, from my country.
Yeah.
Wow,
So
thank you,
countrymates,
thank you. That's,
namesake.
countrymates.
Yeah, that's nice. That's
Nice to have you
Yeah,
here,
nice
bro.
to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And,
So you can tell us about. Have you completed? Are you the ones
No.
going to be graduate?
We're the new ones.
Oh, the new ones.
New ones. So
Okay.
we have approximately 4 years. That is up to 2026.
You just came.
Yeah.
1 year.
I'm going to complete 1 year soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is so good. So we just wish you the best. And then you tell us anything about the food, the relationship of Indians with you guys.
Well, when we talk about the food, it's obvious that Indians, they cook different types of species of food from us, from in Africa.
Yeah.
So here, mostly it's somehow the same, but the problem is there are spices and there's the chili. They put a lot of chili.
Yeah.
So my first time here when I came, was you eat while you're shedding tears,
Yeah, sure.
you're drinking water immediately after food. So yeah, it was really hard, but I'm getting used to it. With time, I'm now fine. Anyway, about the relationship with Indians, they are good people.
Yeah.
They're good people. They love to interact. Just that sometimes communication is the problem. But yeah, they are good people.
Now you first wait, because I don't know if you experience this also the same with me, because each time I go, like people call me for pictures. So many of them. I don't know, it's because I look different or what. Are you facing the same thing?
It's the same thing, They come, bro, picture. So it's almost everywhere. Whenever foreigners come into their country, so mostly as the black, so they want pictures with us. They want to take pictures, and that's somehow good. It makes us feel at home.
Yeah.
Makes us feel loved. Huh?
Love.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, so what do you have to say to the people watching? Maybe I can just put it like that. Africa, what do you have to say to the Africans?
Okay,
about your life here.
well, overall, I can tell those people that life in India is not so that hard because it's a cheap country to be in. There are so many things which are affordable. So yeah, it's a good place. Don't be scared. You're safe here.
You're safe.
Yeah,
okay.
you're safe.
I just need that.
Yeah, you're safe here. There is nothing bad here.
Okay. You came here on scholarship?
Yeah, no. I came here private.
Oh, okay, private. Okay, nice.
Nice
to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
You
much.
can watch this video on my channel, Mr. BMG.
Mr. BMG.
Yeah, Mr. BMG. So
That's
you
nice.
can subscribe and watch this video.
Okay.
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 Guys, because it's okay. I will be going upstairs to meet others also. And then it will be good. Yeah. Wow. So guys, now you see, this is actually the hostel. It's the hostel where the students live. It's absolutely so beautiful. So beautiful. So many rooms here, guys. So many rooms. So many rooms. I can just walk around and take you guys everywhere. You can see these are their rooms. These are their rooms. You can see very good, man. So these are the rooms, and then others are here. A good hostel, and then you can see the view. I take you to the view. You see the buildings around, everything. This is the school name is called Aditya.
The school is called Aditya.
Aditya.
We are from Gentile College.
Oh, Gentile
In case
College.
you want to study,
Yeah.
you are from Africa.
Oh.
Get me out in Instagram.
Okay.
Come, let's go this side.
Oh, we are going this side.
That will go to the
Okay. Oh, so we're going down there. So probably maybe we'll find some students down there, and then we can. So here, these are the Indians. They stay here, and this is the reception. Yeah. So these are them. That is so good. So here, what do they do here?
Just in case if girls will come, they have to sit outside. They are not allowed to go inside.
Oh, so girls, they don't go inside.
Yeah, if you have
Because the hostel is for boys.
yeah, it's boys hostel.
So where the girls
Let's go
hostel?
this side. Girls hostel is like 5 minutes from here.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 minutes from here. Can we go to the girls?
No, they cannot allow us also to interact.
Oh,
Only to sit down, but we don't have any appointment, right?
okay. So they don't allow girls. Okay, that is so good. You know, it's so good. So it makes your mind full on education. So you concentrate more. Actually, I love it. It's so fine. So guys, please like this video. Make sure you share this video. Share this video so that those African countries will definitely see their students here in India. Absolutely, they are okay. You've been hearing from their voices. Everyone is just doing nice and is coping up with the Indian receipt. That is the food. Wow, it's so nice. So we are in the streets. You can see going now.
Yeah, we are in the town now.
Yeah.
See how nice the building.
It's super nice, man.
This building was just built like 3 months ago.
This is 3 months.
3 months.
Sure. That is so good. Is it also apartment?
Yes.
Wow. So crazy here, man. So these are the school buses?
Yeah, this belong to the like junior school.
Oh, but I see for your Aditya
For
is
us,
there.
it's for the ours will come in the morning and take the student only.
Okay.
Yeah, it will take the student. They don't park it here. They park it where I told you that side.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is for those junior students.
Oh, for the junior students.
Yeah.
That's so good. So I don't know. Are you here for scholarship or
No, I came
private?
which is parent sponsor, guys.
Yeah.
And I completed my course now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm studying in Aditya Engineering College.
Yeah.
This is in Kakinada here.
Yeah.
So under the Gent UK, because my college is affiliated to Gent U. Gent U is our university.
Okay.
Yeah. In case you're African watching this video, you would love to know about the studying in India, you can reach me out in Instagram, Kapskabi CBL.
Okay, that is good. So guys, you can see that his Instagram is there. If you're an African student wants to study in India, so you want to get more knowledge details about this, so feel free to DM him on Instagram. and also you subscribe to his channel on YouTube, and then you be there. So I'm just super excited to have this video for you guys. So please comment below, what do you think about this video? Comment below and give a video like. Make sure you share, and then if you're new also watching, please subscribe to my channel. Me, I don't study here, but I mainly come to I do travel vlogs all over the world. So I just took my opportunity. I was in Delhi, in the mainland, because there are no schools there.
Schools is there also.
African students are there?
Yes, they do have there.
Okay. But now I say, let me take this opportunity to come to where Africans are studying and also get this video for you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, follow me up also, guys.
Yes.
Check my channel.
Okay.
Link in the below section description.
Okay.
Peace out. Love
Peace
from
out.
Africa.
So thank you so much, guys. Please do me a favor and then subscribe to my channel and comment where you're watching this video from. I would love to see that. Peace and love. Thank you.